Hi everyone, welcome back. Let me just put it somehow here. Oh, so another day is done. Finished work. Came back here, charged my headlamp as well. So this is pretty strong light, and it takes hours to charge. So I'm gonna set up my sleeping by laying the hammock on the ground inside this hut here, and then I'm gonna put a very kind family that have they gave me food and stuff, so they're very generous and I appreciate them. So I'm gonna put this inside the hammock because I have it with mosquito net, so I can zip it up, and it will be like on my head, but it doesn't matter. And then they gave me a sleeping bag as well, which I'm really grateful for. Thank you so much, Dimitri, and your family. God bless you. But yeah, I am tired, and they even gave me, which is really good for me. I filled it up, which is those foldable water bottles. So always be sure that you don't get a hole in it. But it helps a bunch, because then you don't run low on water. So I just transport it. Yeah, let me go grab my cooking stuff. Just a moment. So here I am back. Because when I go to work, I should have gas enough to cook a meal tonight. So let's leave that there. Don't need cleaning, so that's pretty good. So yeah, I'm gonna set everything up, and I forgot to turn off my bicycle. Electric mountain bike, the best bike you can ever have. So, and I need to find a new place for this bag, because when it's electric, you have to put like the connector like somewhere by the cables, but I don't want the cables to break, but that's my only option right now. So if I get more donations, then I'm gonna buy the tube bag for the front so I can attach it easily. But yeah, here's some of my stuff, and they gave me a power bank as well. I borrowed it from them for some time, and yeah, so I'm gonna set up the sleeping area, and then I'm probably gonna cook a meal outside here, because there is so fireplace here, but I don't have an axe, neither a saw. I could take some branches, but I think like as long as I have gas, I can cook with it. I do have fire starters, so that's a good thing. But yeah, so let me set up the sleeping setup, and I'll bring you back after. See you soon. So, welcome back. I'm a little bit tired, but so there it is. This is the hammock, and as you can see, there's a mosquito net on it. So mattress is inside, sleeping bag is on top, and my jacket as a pillow. So just simple as that, you know, you don't need luxury. So I need to do a little bit. Sorry about that mosquito. So just need to think about dinner right now, and yeah, got some clothes to wash as well, but I think like I'm gonna use fill up my drinking bottles, because I do have one here as well. So yeah, definitely need a wash. But I'm just gonna air them out for now, and then I'll definitely wash them anyway. So yeah, I got loads of bottles to fill up with water, and yeah, so I'm running really low on food as well because I'm trying to find places to go and get free food. So for now, I got 2 cans of fish and protein shaker. I have it as well. You never know when you need it, so I had a chance to get it, to buy it, so I chose to take it. And yeah, so oh, I do have a piece of meat as well, with which is with cheese inside, and schnitzel, I would say. No, not schnitzel. It's the what you call it in French, um, cordon bleu. Think so. I'm gonna have that tonight. Loads of fire starters, so if I need to make a fire. But yeah, an extra headlamp always is good. Toilet paper. And yeah, so I'm just gonna plan the dinner and get to cooking. And I was thinking maybe I should just have the dehydrated like that carbonara now, just on its own, and then later make some tea in the evening and make a bag of rice. So this will be good dinner. I always take my stuff out because clean underwear always needed. And yeah, so because I had mashed potato yesterday, so there's still like 3 left. So that's my food basically for the next almost 2 weeks. And I wanted to say a huge thank you as well to the person who made a donation on PayPal today because of my work. Thank you for the tip. I appreciate that. So I'm gonna set it all up so you don't have to watch everything. So I'm gonna bring it back when it's time to cook. All right, welcome back. So the water actually went to boil, but I turned it off because I couldn't find my fork. So I'm gonna make the carbonara, but as I can see, it says carbonara has peas in it. I've never heard of that, but so we'll see how good it is. Spoon. So just like boil it down because I feel like when last time I did it and it was not so brilliant. So I'm just gonna pour everything in here and just probably let it boil down, or yeah, there's loads of stuff still in there. And yeah, then I'm probably gonna eat that. It says usually like 8 minutes, but like, yeah, I prefer to boil a little bit or actually do it in the pot because I think that's the easiest. So I'm just mixing it now. Oh, that was hot. So probably gonna do 2 minutes of boil and then just cover it up and see. Yeah, alright. Sorry about that. There was someone going by with a horse. So, in the meantime, when that's boiling, I'm gonna see. Yeah, so I'm just gonna have my last muffin because I am starving. I'm so hungry. I could eat so much. So the muffin has to do for now until the food is ready. And yeah. So. That is so good. Okay, so I'm gonna stop the boiling. And then we're gonna take it and cover it for about 8 minutes, and we'll see the outcome. Oh my god, that's so good. So I'll bring you back when it's done, and then I'll show you. So, as you can see, boil 2 minutes and let it sit for 8 minutes. So I mixed it around. They say carbonara, but you know, you don't put carbonara, it's not real carbonara because there's definitely no peas in there, and real carbonara doesn't come like that. But food is food, you never complain. Alright, so I'm gonna enjoy that, and yeah, I'll see you soon. So yeah, food is gonna be great, and yeah, because I decided to try a little bit. It does smell like carbonara, but not really. I mean, it's food. So, and I put some spices as well. But for dinner, later tonight, I'm definitely gonna make this cordon bleu and rice. And I'm gonna try to warm up the cordon bleu in this small one, which basically should fit somehow. I don't want to make a fire, and then I'm just gonna put mayo in the rice. 1 pack of mayo. So yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, because I'm gonna finish that food, and then my dinner I'm gonna cook inside. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna close it off with the tarp, and I'm gonna put my bike in front of it from inside so nobody gets in. And yeah, then I'm gonna enjoy my night and watch a movie, and tomorrow I'm going back to work. So thanks all for watching. I love you all. If you would like to leave a donation or send a package, if you think you have something that you don't need anymore, camping gear wise, bike racks, bike bags, yeah, you find the address below, and yeah, you can message me on Instagram or send me an email, and yeah, so everything will be in video description, and I will upload another video another day, because I decided to give you like my daily life, what I'm doing. So yeah, gonna enjoy a movie tonight, and then go to bed, and tomorrow back to work, because there's no donations coming in except one tip that I got today. So yeah, I have to work a lot because otherwise I won't make it to buy things that I need. So love you all. See you in the next one. Bye bye.